The BMW B48 is generally considered a strong and reliable engine, but like many modern engines, it has one weakness that can cause serious trouble: plastic cooling system components. Over time, constant heating and cooling can make plastic fittings brittle. A small crack may begin as a slow coolant leak, but it can eventually leave you stranded or cause the engine to overheat. The difficult part is that several of these components are hidden, and coolant often runs down the engine before reaching the ground. This can make the real source of the leak difficult to find. In this video, we will cover the most important plastic cooling system failure points every B48 owner should know about, the warning signs to watch for, and how to avoid replacing the wrong part. The first failure point is a small coolant vent line connected to the cylinder head. This line uses a plastic quick connect fitting. After years of exposure to engine heat, the fitting can become brittle and crack or completely break apart. BMW previously issued a service action for this component on a number of F-Series vehicles produced between 2015 and 2019. When the fitting begins to fail, you may notice dried cooling residue around the connection, a sweet smell after driving, or a low coolant warning. If the connector suddenly breaks, the engine can lose a large amount of coolant very quickly. Be careful when inspecting it. Do not pull or twist an old plastic connector aggressively. Sometimes a fitting that is still holding together will break as soon as it's disturbed. Check the area only when the engine is completely cold, and ask a BMW dealer or specialist whether the updated line has already been installed on your car. The next component is one many B48 owners have heard about: the plastic oil filter housing. Although it is called an oil filter housing, coolant also flows through the part of the assembly to control oil temperature. This means a crack in the housing, a damaged seal, or a failed coolant insert can cause an external coolant leak. Common warning signs include slowly dropping coolant levels, dried white or blue residue around the housing, and cooling near the engine mount or fluid collecting underneath the engine. The problem is that the coolant can become trapped inside foam insulation and the lower engine cover. You may be losing coolant without seeing a puddle underneath the car. BMW has also released service information concerning coolant leaks from the oil filter housing area on certain B48 related engines. However, not every B48 uses exactly the same housing or updated components, so parts should always be checked using the vehicle identification number. Most importantly, do not automatically replace the complete oil filter housing just because coolant appears nearby. Another small plastic part can create almost the same symptoms. Under the intake manifold area, there is a plastic flange connecting a coolant hose to the engine block. This part is small, relatively inexpensive, and easy to overlook. Over time, the flange can crack around the connecting or sealing surface. It may also break while someone is removing an old coolant hose during another repair. Because the flange is close to the oil filter housing, coolant can run downward and make it appear as if the housing itself is leaking. Several B48 owners have reported replacing the oil filter housing only to later discover that the plastic flange underneath the intake area was the actual source of the leak. This is why following the coolant trail is so important. The lowest wet area is not always where the leak started. Coolant can travel along brackets, wiring, and engine covers before becoming visible. A cooling system pressure test performed with the engine cold is usually one of the best ways to locate this type of hidden leak. Ultraviolet dye can also help when the source is difficult to see. Later B48 engines use a more advanced cooling components known as the heat management module. Instead of relying only on a traditional thermostat, this module uses controlled valves to direct coolant through different parts of the engine. It helps the engine warm up quickly while still providing cooling where it is needed. However, the module contains a large plastic housing, seals, and electronic moving parts. When it fails, it can cause an external coolant leak, but it may also fail internally without producing an obvious puddle. The driver may see a drivetrain malfunction warning, reduced engine power, or cooling system fault codes. This can be confusing because the warning may appear to be related to the transmission, turbocharger, or ignition system. On newer B48 powered cars, it is important to scan the engine computer before replacing parts. A stored valve position or cooling system fault may point directly toward the heat management module. There is no single mileage at which these modules always fail. Some owner reports involve relatively low mileage cars, while others lasted much longer. The final area to check is the collection of plastic quick connect fittings used throughout the cooling system. These may be found on radiator hoses, expansion tank lines, turbocharger coolant lines, and other connections around the engine. A fitting may look perfectly fine while it's untouched, but after years of heat it may crack when it is twisted, pulled sideways, or reinstalled during another repair. This is why additional leaks sometimes appear shortly after major cooling system rework. When repairing the oil filter housing, intake area, or heat management module, every disconnected plastic fitting should be inspected carefully. If a connector is discolored, cracked, or unusually brittle, replacing it while the area is already accessible may save a large amount of labor. Make sure to often check your coolant level, but only when the engine is fully cooled. Look for dried cooling residue around the cylinder head vent line, oil filter housing, engine block flange, and heat management module. Do not rely only on puddles. The lower engine cover can hold coolant and hide a leak. If the level continues to drop, have the cooling system pressure tested instead of simply adding more coolant. And if you see steam, an overheating warning, or a rapid loss of coolant, stop driving. A cheap plastic fitting can become a very expensive engine repair if the car continues to run without enough coolant. The B48 itself can be a durable engine. The key is finding these small cooling system problems before they become major ones.